بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Sehrish Jamil from British Institute, and this channel is based on knowledge. You are kindly requested to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.
Dear. Word forms: comparative dearer, superlative dearest, plural dears. 1. Adjective. You use dear to describe someone or something that you feel affection for. Dr. Asif is a dear friend of mine. At last I am back at my dear little desk. Synonyms: beloved, close, valued, favorite.
2. Adjective. If something is dear to you or dear to your heart, you care deeply about it. My brother's family life is very dear to me.
3. Adjective. You use dear in expressions such as my dear fellow, dear girl, or my dear Richard when you are addressing someone whom you know and are fond of. You can also use expressions like this in a rude way to indicate that you think you are superior to the person you are addressing. Of course, Asma, my dear fellow, of course. Take as long as you like, dear boy.
4. Adjective. Dear is written at the beginning of a letter or email, followed by the name or title of the person you are writing to. Dear Asma, I have been thinking about you so much during the past few days.
5. Convention. In British English, you begin formal letters or emails with dear sir or dear madam. In American English, you begin them with sir or madam. Written. Dear sir, she began.
7. Exclamation. You can use dear in expressions such as oh dear, dear me, and dear when you are sad, disappointed, or surprised about something. Oh dear, knocking inside. You, too. Outside, Bruce glanced at his watch. Dear me, nearly 1 o'clock.
9. Adjective, usually verb-link adjective. If you say that something is dear, you mean that it costs a lot of money, usually more than you can afford or more than you think it should cost. Clothes here are much dearer than in the UK.
In British English. Adjective 1. Beloved, precious. 2. Used in conventional forms of address preceding a title or name, as in dear sir or my dear Mr. Smith. 3. Postpositive, followed by 2, important, close a wish dear to her heart. 4. A. Highly priced. B. Charging high prices. 5. Appealing or pretty, what a dear little ring. 6. C for dear life.
Spoken. Used when speaking in a friendly way to someone, especially someone who is much younger or much older than you. This use can sometimes sound rather patronizing. Can I help you, dear?
British English spoken, someone who is kind and helpful. Be a dear and make me a coffee.
If money is dear, interest rates are high and it may be difficult and expensive to get loans from banks. At the time, money was dear and credit difficult.
Enjoy your lesson. Thank you very much, and do not forget subscribing, liking and sharing. Improve your vocabulary visually on YouTube. It is all for you.